Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems on a Roblox app. To know how to find the solution about Roblox, you should just go the solution about Roblox white screen. You should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to Roblox. After that, in this in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on first clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Here you can know how to fix your problem on Roblox. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.